Add a new cube in GIF, tap to enter mode, select two faces, and delete the faces with X. Press S, then X for axis scaling. Adjust to the appropriate size, tap edit mode, press Ctrl and double-click the right mouse button to switch, tap point mode. Open the move coordinates, click the axis to move it upwards, select the point and use shift to select and lift the point upwards. Adjust to the right position. Select all, press SY to scale on the Y-axis. Tire, solid. Add a Solidify modifier. Set thickness. Ensure uniform thickness. Achieve a high-quality visual appearance. Adjust the appropriate thickness value. Apply the Solidify modifier. Happy mode. Alt+C for transparent selection. Select points with a box, then press X to delete them. Enable solid mode to add a mirror. Check the limit range in the modifier settings. Add a subdivision modifier. Right-click to enable smooth shading, then check auto smooth settings. Close surface subdiv, real-time preview. Tap schedule. Actual plus second ring cut. Select an edge, hold shift, then pick another. Move on Z-axis. Adjust the appropriate position, select the edge, hold shift, and move along the outer edge. Tire, solid. Select appointment mode. Ctrl+2 ring toggle. Open. Real-time preview mode. Ctrl+2 ring toggle. Ctrl+2 ring toggle right-click. Ctrl+ right-click. Alt to select edges. Ctrl+B to bevel. Use the mouse wheel to adjust segments. Fetus, solid. Tapia mode. 7 superior perspectives plus C translucent mode to choose points. 9 advances ahead. Find a nice spot. Happy mode. Turn off live preview. Select the face, then add to the selection by holding Shift and copy. Press the P key to separate the selected object from the rest. Enter solid mode. Click to select face mode, press A to select all, press B to extrude. Red right mode. Select edge and shift to add select edge. Ctrl+B for bevel. Solid tire. Tap to select the edge in approximate mode for pods. Ctrl+B to bevel. Leave edit mode. Open real-time preview. Shift+A to create a new cube. S+Y axis dimensional scaling. S+C axis dimensional scaling. X, Y. ISGX Ctrl+A for rotation and scaling. Tap into editing mode. Ctrl+R for loop cutting. Beyond words, a subtle act. Enter solid mode. Add a subdivision surface modifier. Right-click for smooth shading. Tap edit mode. Ctrl+2. Ctrl+A. Ctrl+ double circle and right-click. 7 dots, trying to move along the outer elbow. S+C to zoom the Z-axis. Frontal perspective. The mouse wheel adjusts view size. Move on Z. Introduce a new cube and adjust its dimensions by scaling. Scale S along the CC axis. Read-write mode. Type face mode, select face X scale. Pick face S, tweak the scale. Enter cloth mode, press Ctrl+A to rotate and scale, exit read-write mode. Group views, shift along Z axis. X9 move. Shift along the Y axis in the top perspective view.
S zoom size. S improve the CC axis scaling.
Face it directly.
Z axis move.
Surface mode. Move Y axis.
X9 move.
Move Y.
Activate cloth mode and add a surface subdivision modifier. Tap edge mode, red right mode. Ctrl+ second ring cut. In 3-face mode, select the face and press Ctrl+B to bevel. Turn on cloth mode. Right-click smooth shading. Alt-select side. Select the loop and align the sides precisely. Ctrl+B to bevel. Mouse wheel adjusts bevel segments. Choose the 3-mask mode interface I, and then interpolate the interface to activate the open solid mode. Exit edit mode. Pick the object. Add a mirror modifier. Reflect the object, and then choose this Y-axis reflection. 7 top views. Move Y-axis. Adjust position